Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this today's lecture we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 202, that is happy number. So today we are going to solve the happy number LeetCode problem. So I am going to divide this LeetCode problem into two videos. So the first video is lecture part and the second video is C code. In the lecture part we are going to discuss the logic and algorithm how to approach this LeetCode problem. So in the second video, we're going to discuss the C code. I mean, we are going to LeetCode web page. I'm gonna return the code for our LeetCode problem, and I am going to explain it each line by line. So without any delay, let's begin our lecture part. So first, we're gonna see what is a happy number. Suppose we had a number. Suppose the number is n. So now the big question is whether how to check whether a number is happy or not. So what is a happy number actually? So happy number is nothing but a number that eventually becomes one after repeating doing a special process. So what the process is? So let's see. Suppose the process is actually the first step. We need to take each digit. Suppose that the number is n. So the first step is we need to take a digit. So we need to take a digit. So this is our first step. So on the second step, we need to square the digit. So we need to square the digit. So we are going to square the digit. And the third step, we're adding all square values. So adding all square values. So adding all square values. So on the fourth step, we are repeating the same process. So on the fourth step, we are going to repeat. So repeating. So if the final value is equal to 1, so if it is equal to 1, so it is considered as happy number. So it is considered as happy number. So if not means it's not a happy number. So let us take an example. Suppose n equal to 90. So as I mentioned, we need to square the digits. So 1 square and 9 square. So it becomes 1 plus 81. So equal to 82. So again, we are going to split it and we are going to see 8 square and 2 square. So 64 plus 4 equal to 68. So again, we are going to split it. So it becomes 6 square and it is 8 square. So it becomes 36 plus 64 and 36 plus 64 is 100. So we are going to split it again. So we will get 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square. So that means 1. So finally we got 1. So finally we got 19 is a happy number. So 19 is a happy number. So why I stopped after we got 1? So I have stopped the process when we got, suppose if you're gonna continue also 1 square, so you get again 1. So keeps on, when we got the value 1, we no need to do it again, because if we got the square value 1, if we do eventually also we get the value 1. So let us see another example. Suppose let us see for 68. So n equal to 68. So same. So I think it's also happy number because 64, 36 you get 100. So we're gonna split means we get 1 square plus 0 square plus 0, we get 1. So again so 68 is also a happy number. So it's also a happy number. So like that, this is the approach. So this is how we're going to solve the happy number. So our logic is simple. Keep calculating the sum of squares of digits. If we get one, we are going to return it's a happy number. So we are going to return happy number. That means it's going to return true. So that is the complete idea of happy number. So now in the next video, we will understand the C code line by line. I hope this lecture part is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the C code. I mean, we are going to see in the LeetCode web page. Thank you.